Hey all, you guys are making some great progress on your projects. I wanted to remind you how important it is to use your textbooks and other resources from your other classes and link those into your projects. Almost every week you should be asking yourself, what did we cover this week that could be included in my case study? Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be traveling starting this Sunday. And I will have internet access, but I will not be available by phone. And I won't be available by phone until after your spring break. So if you have any questions about the project that you want to talk about, please let me know right away and we'll set up a time to chat before Sunday. So again, I will have access to email, but I just won't be available through Voxer or telephone. And if for some reason next week, if you email me and you don't hear back, within 48 hours, please contact Donna Wallace because that means something's wrong. So again, within 48 hours, you should definitely have a response. It should be much sooner than that, but if you don't hear back, please contact Donna Wallace. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you guys have a great week.